In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable startup ads on Steam if you're tired of seeing promotional pop-ups, new release notifications, or other startup messages. Every time you launch Steam, this quick settings adjustment can make the app feel much cleaner and less distracting. The good news is that Steam gives you control over many of these interface notifications, and it only takes a moment to turn them off. To begin, open Steam on your computer and wait for the main window to load. Once you're on the main Steam screen, look toward the top left corner of the app. You'll see the Steam menu there. Click on Steam and then choose Settings from the drop-down menu. This will open the main Settings panel where you can customize how the app behaves. Inside the Settings window, look at the menu on the left-hand side and select Interface. This section controls a lot of what Steam shows you visually, including certain alerts and promotional messages that may appear when the app starts up. Now, in the interface settings, look for options related to notifications and promotional content. One common setting to disable is the option that says something like, notify me about additions or changes to my games, new releases, and upcoming releases. If this setting is turned on, Steam may show you startup messages or pop-ups about new content and updates. Go ahead and turn that off. You should also look for any other similar notification or promotional settings available in your version of Steam. Steam's layout and wording can sometimes change slightly depending on updates, so the exact option names may not always be identical. The key idea is to disable anything that sounds like promotional alerts, release announcements, or extra startup notifications that you don't want to see. After making those changes, you can simply close the settings window. In most cases, Steam saves these preferences automatically, so you usually won't need to click a separate save button. The next time you launch Steam, you should notice a quieter startup experience with fewer ads or promotional interruptions. As a quick tip, if you still see certain messages after changing these settings, check the interface section again for any additional notification toggles that may have been missed. Steam sometimes separates general notifications from update-related notices, so reviewing the available options carefully can help you get the cleanest result. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted Steam settings to reduce or disable startup ads and promotional notifications, making the app a little more streamlined every time you open it.